Hey my love, so in this video I'll be showing you guys how to get an affordable beat, how to achieve a flawless glam and not spending so much money. This look is perfect for back to school or like work. I don't know, this is my type of beat, so keep on watching guys. So I molded down my eyebrows and I filled them in off camera, and then I took my LA Girl Pro concealer to clean up my eyebrows.
Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my space speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the times change? I'm still playing the victim.
In this video, I will be showing you guys the type of brushes I love to use on my face. Very affordable as well. And it's also a sponsor with Oneleaf, which is this company that sent me their brushes to try for you guys. And I feel like you guys will love them, and the link will be down below guys. So I'm just finishing up my eyebrows guys. I did take my foundation on top, which was the Juvia's Place, but you can take your own foundation guys. It really don't matter. You just need a foundation color, your shade, to just apply on top of your eyebrows. So now I'm taking my Milani eyeshadow palette. I'm taking those two brown shades, which is Cinnamon Spice and Cocoa Bean. You want to keep the eyes very minimal because you are going to school or you are going to work, so you don't want to do too much. I don't know, it's up to you, but I wouldn't. So then I'm taking my eyeliner from Wet n Wild. Very affordable as well. I love this eyeliner. I've been using it for years now. Right on the face guys, I'm taking my Evian facial spray, my e.l.f. Holy Hydration. Love these two together. You want to make sure your face is really hydrated. For primer, I'm taking my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This is way better than the Milk Hydro Grip anyways guys. It really grips the makeup. I love this primer a lot. And now for my foundation, I'm taking my Maybelline foundation, my True Match from L'Oreal. Taking this Flat Kabuki brush. This is the brush I like to use when it comes to blending out my foundation. I think I got this pack from Ross, y'all. Don't be sleep on Ross brushes. Do not be sleep, because it blended out this foundation so beautifully. Like, look at it, y'all. Like, I don't know, like Maybelline can't do wrong in my eyes. I used to dislike the undertone of this foundation, but if you give it a quick little mix with another type of foundation guys, it is literally perfect.
Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top when these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in a box. I don't wanna change cause I'm good.
For my concealer, I'm taking my LA Girl Fawn concealer. I'm sorry guys, I was eating. I think this was like 1 in the morning and I was so hungry. And then I'm spraying my face with the Milani Make It Last spray just to give my face a little bit more moisture so I can blend out the concealer.
All in the mall with a rat. Roll with this if you really wanna get it. Go get a.
This is totally optional, but I didn't end up going in with another concealer from Milani 150 and blending that out with my powder puff. I try to keep this look very simple for you guys to follow, so hopefully this really helps you guys. So now I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Bananas baking powder and I'm just going under my eyes. Well, everywhere I highlighted, I'm just setting it in place with this brush, and then I will be taking my Maybelline pressed powder in 355 and just setting my whole face. And this is one of the Oneleaf brushes. Very fluffy, very beautiful, y'all. It placed the product on my face very, very nicely. I love it so much, guys. I love this brush. So now I'm taking this other smaller fluffy brush from Oneleaf and I'm using that for my bronzer. My bronzer today, I'll be using my Juvia's Place Dark. I love this bronzer, y'all, as you guys can see. And I'm just bronzing up my face. Again, look how beautifully the brush applies the product. So nice, guys. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money. So now I'm taking the more angled, smaller brush from Oneleaf and I'm bronzing up my nose, contouring my nose, just giving my nose a little bit more structure. So now I'm about to start blushing my face, guys, with the bronze palette from Juvia's and this blush from Essence. I use the same brush I bronzed up with. I like mixing my bronzer and blush brush together just because I don't really like blush. I like more of a bronzing look. That's why I like my blush be looking more bronze. But yeah, guys, very, very simple. And I'm just adding a little shadow under my eyes, nothing serious. And now I'm taking my Wet n Wild pencil, guys, to line my lips, my favorite lip liner. I used to use it for eyebrows. You can use it for anything. I love this pencil so much. And then I'm going to be blending out that pencil with the NYX Espresso Lip Liner. I love this pencil as well. So now I'm taking my NYX Cairo, my Anastasia Cantaloupe, or no, that one was Guava. Guys, y'all can use your own lip combo. You guys don't have to use this because this is not really like affordable. Well, the Anastasia makes it not affordable, but after that, everything else is affordable. Took my e.l.f. clipping gloss and my e.l.f. lip oil, mix those two together. I love this lip combo down, guys. So now I'm removing the excess powder and spraying my face with the Milani spray. And I'm just setting everything in with my foundation brush. And then I'll be taking my Essence mascara just to give my bottom lashes a little bit more like and that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know how you guys feel about this. All right, bye guys.